Hi, this is Jay Hart, and here's a project that I've been working on. I had a lot of these map pages left over from the previous project, and so I have them temporarily bound with some thread-wrapped wire. And so anyway, this is a project that I can do off and on. And use up a lot of my scraps. So it's going to be about 5.5 by about 9 inches, and depends on how big it gets. That I might bind it into a gutted book. I don't know yet. But I started in the middle. Now let's see if I can find that again. Here we go. So just some odds and ends that I found interesting, like this picture and that sentiment. And here's something that I'm working on that might be a blue page. An interesting book cover. And this is an interesting background. Does it need anything else? Does it need some other picture? And here's something from a paperback book that I thought was interesting, so I liked what it says here. And I might use this, might not. So it's kind of an ongoing project. Here are just some kind of blue-themed images, and this is just an interesting collection of odds and ends. Barbie. This is pretty good beer. I guess it's not beer, it's some kind of margarita. I'm not a fan of margaritas, but that was pretty good. Okay, so here's some vintage ladies that I fussy cut around. And these are the birds from a tourist brochure when I went to my trip to Virginia Beach, Virginia. Just some interesting odds and ends. You know, it's not rocket science. We're not curing diseases. We're just playing. There's the middle. Oh, and I've been feeding a couple of stray cats. So I made some projects with the cat food packaging. That was interesting. Maybe you need some more work. So this is an interesting background. I could leave it just like that, or I could add something. Oh, this was fun. The moon was from a paper napkin. Some more of that margarita labels. The Disney princess. Some more blue stuff. This is somebody that is famous from the Tampa, Florida area. A vintage book page with some interesting images. Some more of that moon, paper napkin. Beer labels. Now this is kind of an interesting graphics. Does it need anything else? Does it need a focal point picture? So here is lots more pages to work on, and I kind of have things sorted into these envelopes. So labels, here's some sentiments, have them sorted into colors, astrology. I want to do something with that. So here is lots of stuff to work on. Labels are so interesting. So that is my ongoing collage project that I can work on now and then.